Hi guys, my name is Julia and today we'll be doing a quick product showcase on the Topre REALFORCE RGB Mechanical keyboard. At first glance, it looks like any other keyboard, but underneath each key is something you may not have seen before. While regular keyboards use rubber dome membrane and mechanical keyboards use a spring, Topre uses their very own electro capacitive switch. This is a special hybrid of both technologies, so you get the stiff tactile feedback from a spring, but the soft dampening of a rubber dome. As a result, you get keys that feel slightly heavier than, let's say, Cherry MX Browns, but are much quieter. In fact, this is what they sound like. As its name implies, this is Topre's first RGB keyboard. With an LED under each key, it's capable of displaying up to 16.8 million total color combinations. The REALFORCE RGB keyboard comes with a variety of preset patterns built into the keyboard's onboard memory. These include a solid rainbow pattern, solid colors, lighting when you press a key, a raindrop effect, one that looks like the game Snake, an animated rainbow gradient, and even a demo mode that automatically cycles through a few fancier animations. And if that isn't enough, it also comes with software where you can customize the color, lighting, and pattern of each individual key. Lighting aside, the REALFORCE RGB also has a feature that is rarely found in any other keyboard, an adjustable actuation point. So most keyboards have an actuation point of 2 millimeters, which means you have to press the key down 2 millimeters in order to register it as a key press. Now, some gamers prefer shorter distances, that way they can register their commands quicker, whereas on the other hand, typists may prefer longer distances to avoid double tapping a key. The REALFORCE RGB allows you to switch between 1.5 millimeters, 2 millimeters, and 3 millimeters by pressing a dedicated key on the upper right of the keyboard. And finally, one big criticism from previous Topre keyboards was how difficult it was to find replacement keycaps. But this time around, Topre has changed up their switches to fit both Topre switches and Cherry keycaps, since a lot of the keycaps available right now are Cherry. Alright, thank you for watching our product showcase on the Topre REALFORCE RGB Mechanical keyboard.